Hello and welcome. My name is Tvlwv Moffer. I work with the Norman Public Schools Indian Education Program. And we are going to be talking about Dreamcatchers this week for our virtual activities. In our bag for the Dreamcatchers, you will start with just a hoop. We'll have some sinew that creates the web. We'll have some plastic or leather strip that goes actually around the hoop that creates the outside barrier. That kind of looks like this once it's all covered. Then we have other things that we put on them as far as little talismans or beads and feathers. And it's really however you want to make it, your own design. The original Dreamcatchers started with our northern tribes, and I believe it was the Ojibways that were the first ones to create the Dreamcatchers. But this week I just want you to enjoy this activity and try to make it as close to your own as you can. So use things around your house that you really are kind of sacred to you or very important to you. You can hang on that. This would be our next activity. Next week, or next month is November, so it's Native American Heritage Month, so be looking forward to a few more videos and a few more activities. Alright, I hope you have fun creating your Dreamcatchers.